Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to send contacts from iPhone to iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, we need to install an application that will help us to send contacts from our iPhone to other iPhone. It's called Send Anywhere. It's free and you can download it from App Store or Play Store. Tap here in the search bar and write Send Anywhere. So this is the application. Tap download. Perfect. Then tap open. Then tap allow full access. Tap allow. Okay. Now as you can see here, you can send your contacts from here. Tap contacts and tap allow, and now select all the contacts that you want to send. Okay, so here tap select and select all your contacts here. Okay, then we have here the number of our contact that we selected. Then tap send. And now you need to install Send Anywhere to other iPhone that you want to receive the contacts. So after that, scan your QR code on your other iPhone and will be sent it successfully to other iPhone. So that's how you can send your contacts. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.